Point. A small dot on any plane, for example on a paper, is called a point. Points are usually denoted by some alphabet A, B, P in geometry. Line. Line is a collection of points. It is named by a small letter, line L, or by two capital letters denoting 2 points on the line, like XY or AB, etc. It extends on both ends. Segment. Segment is also a collection of points. It has two endpoints. Segment is denoted by two letters. It can be called segment PQ or segment QP. This is segment AB. It also has two smaller segments, segment AC or CA and segment BC or CB. Ray. Ray is a set of points which extends on one end only. Let us solve exercise 13. Write the names of segments, lines, rays in the diagrams. Diagrams has segment LM, segment MN, segment NO, segment TY, segment OT, segment OY, and segment OZ. It has ray OX, ray OW, ray ZX, and ray OV. It also has line WV. Now, let us see how to write the length of segment. The length of segment AB is 3 centimeters. It can be written in this way. Length of segment XY is 4 centimeters. It is shown symbolically in this way. Now, let's see how to draw lines passing through a point. Plot a point O and using a scale, draw a line passing through O. We get a line L. Now, try to draw as many lines as possible through the same point O. We can draw many lines through O, like M, N, and so on. Innumerable lines can be drawn through a single point. Now let's see how to draw lines passing through 2 points. Plot 2 points P and Q. Draw a line joining the 2 points and extend it on both ends. We can draw only one line passing through both these points. Means only line PQ passes through the point P and Q. No other line can be drawn passing through P and Q. One and only one line passes through any 2 given points. What are collinear and non-collinear points? Mark 3 points P, Q, R. Draw a line passing through the 3 points. We can say points P, Q, and R are collinear as they lie on the same line. If a single line can be drawn that passes through 3 or more than 3 points, the points are said to be collinear. Mark 3 points A, B, and C. It is not possible to draw a line passing through all 3 points. Hence, points A, B, and C are non-collinear points. When a single line cannot be drawn passing through 3 or more than 3 points, the points are called non-collinear points. Example 1. Points X, Y, Z, W, T lie on a straight line or line XT passes through these points. Hence, points X, Y, Z, W, T are collinear. Points X, Y, Z, W, T, O are non-collinear as one line cannot be drawn passing through them. Example 2. Give some collinear and non-collinear points from the figure. Collinear points are: number 1, P, Q, R. Number 2, R, M, Z. Number 3, P, L, X. Number 4, X, Y, Z. Non-collinear points are number 1, P, Q, L. Number 2, R, M, L. Number 3, X, Y, M. Number 4, Y, Z, Q. Number 5, Z, M, L. Number 6, Q, R, M. Number 7, M, Z, Y. Number 8, Y, X, L. Let us now solve exercise 14. Number 1. Observe the figure and complete the table from the figure. We see that K, Y, T are collinear points. X, Y, T are non-collinear points. T, Y, Z are non-collinear points. X, Y, Z are collinear points. Number 2. Take a point T. How many lines can be drawn through this point? Innumerable lines can be drawn through point T. Number 3. In the figure, P, Q, R are 3 non-collinear points. Draw a line passing through each set of 2 points. How many lines like this can we draw? Join PQ, QR and PR. We can draw 3 lines passing through each set of 2 points. Number 4. Take 2 points S and R. How many lines can we draw that pass through these 2 points? We can draw only 1 line passing through S and R. Number 5. Look at the figure. Make sets of 3 collinear points. Also, make sets of 3 non-collinear points. Points B, M, D and L, M, K are collinear points. Points L, M, B, B, M, K, L, M, D, D, M, K, K, L, B, L, K, D, B, L, D, B, D, K are non-collinear points. Plane. A plane is a flat surface which extends in all directions without any limits. Plane is denoted by one capital letter. Example, plane A, plane B. Plane is a set of points. Innumerable points can be plotted on a plane. One and only one plane passes through 3 non-collinear points. Let us try to understand what are intersecting lines and parallel lines. We can see 2 lines, line L and line M, cut each other at only one point O on the plane P. O is the only common point to the line L and M. O is the point of intersection. 2 intersecting lines have one and only one point of intersection. In plane P, lines X and Y do not intersect each other. They do not have a common point. These lines are parallel lines. Lines in the same plane which do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. It is written as line X is parallel to line Y. Concurrent lines. In the figure, we can see that lines L and M intersect at a point A. Lines M and N intersect at point B. Lines L and N intersect at point C. If we consider 2 lines at a time, we get different intersection points for each pair. Consider lines L, M, N, P. They all intersect each other at one point O. Such lines are called concurrent lines. O is the point of concurrence. 3 or more lines intersecting in a single point are called concurrent lines, and their point of intersection is called the point of concurrence. Let us solve exercise 15. Question number 1. In the figure, 4 points P, Q, R, S are given. Draw lines passing through any 2 points, then answer the questions. Solution. Draw lines joining P and S, P and Q, Q and R, R and S, P and R, S and Q. Number 1. Name the lines whose point of concurrence is Q. Answer. Line PQ, line QR and line QS have Q as their point of concurrence. Number 2. Which of the lines PS, SR, QS and PR are concurrent? Answer. Line PS, line QS and line SR are concurrent. Question number 2. Look at the figure and answer the questions. Number 1. Name the collinear points. Answer. B, C, D are the collinear points. Number 2. Write all groups of non-collinear points. Answer. A, B, C, A, C, D, B, D, A, B, C, D are the groups of non-collinear points. Number 3. Name the concurrent lines and their points of concurrence. Answer. Line AB, line AC and line AD are the concurrent lines and their point of concurrence is A. Let us summarize. Innumerable lines can be drawn passing through a single point. One and only one line passes through any 2 given points. If a single line can be drawn passing through 3 or more points, these points are said to be collinear. Non-collinear points are those through which a single line cannot pass. Plane is a flat surface extending on all 4 sides infinitely. 2 lines in a plane intersecting at one single point are called intersecting lines. That point is their point of intersection. 2 lines in a plane which do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. 3 or more lines intersecting in a single point are called concurrent lines. Their point of intersection is called point of concurrence.